Technology leads shakes the future. Xionggu A-301 series clamp type pipeline automatic welding machine, portable and quick clip-on. Industrial wireless portable panel with display screen, easy to operate, equipped with arc striking self-positioning technology, automatically adjust the arc striking position. Equipped with welding seam mark tracking technology, automatically tracks the welding seam and dynamically stabilizes the arc length. Built-in welding expert database, providing synergic welding parameter packages and diversified welding modes for multiple materials. 30 mm wall thickness pipe can be welded easily, applicable for welding of various materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, copper, aluminum, titanium and their alloys. One machine with multiple functions, TIG and MIG-MAG welding processes are available for quick switching over. The root pass has zero defects by non-destructive testing, and the capping pass is uniform. Built-in wire feeding and external welding torch with wire pull-push device. Integrated control unit for efficient data exchange. Independent air duct design. Excellent heat radiation performance. Equipped with DPS 500 Pro, fully digital empowerment, and cloud server transmission management. The A301 automatic welding machine is widely used in many automated welding applications, such as gathering pipeline, skid-mounted pipeline, refinery plant pipeline, and urban gas pipeline. Empowered by intelligent welding, reshaping the future of welding.